Today, the science till then have made no, or we can say very little development in the sections of wormhole, exotic matter, dark energy, black hole, multiverse, gravity, dimensions, and quantum world, and the list goes on. But we know something about the wormholes. We're gonna dive deeper into the wormholes. Einstein and Rosen thought of a fold in the space-time, the one from which we enter and the one from which leads to the different places in the universe. We can assume them to be charged. Other one was the singularity between the two regions of space, and they are connected with each other. This type of black holes are non-traversable, which means we cannot travel through them, and this is because the middle path has formed between do not last longer. There they get disconnected as the course through time because they are very unstable and do not have much of energy to balance the path. So as the time goes on, the path gets narrower. But we can make them stable by exotic matter. It is a form of matter which exerts negative pressure in the surrounding. We think that the reason for the wormhole that they can travel light years from within the no time, or we can say in less time, is because they are passed through other dimensions of which the time field has frequency, which when matched with our time field, our universe's time field, it interferes destructively, and in the result the path object experiences no time or little time because they do not get perfectly cancelled because of the quantum uncertainties. And because we are a three-dimensional being, that other dimension do not want objects like us, so it just want to throw us out. So without any use of energy, we can travel very long distance. The other side of the wormhole is unstable. It oscillates back and forth between the space and time, but it gets stabilizes when the wormhole gets stabilized by the exotic matter. We can make a wormhole inside a particle accelerator, but we need a bigger particle accelerator, the one with the size of Earth, which means we have to create the particle accelerator in outer space. But maybe there is a natural particle accelerator. Our galaxy is the natural galactic particle accelerator. It could accelerate the particles at the speed of light or nearly the speed of light, and it can cause the collisions between the particle, creating a gateway between the spaces. It can potentially create a gateway by high energy release due to collisions harnessed by the space at such a compactified space, that is, the energy density exceeds the basic energy difference in the different dimensions and can match the harmonic frequency of the time field. Because of that, it creates a hole in space continuum, and it creates a wormhole which would lead us to different regions of the universe which are far beyond our reaches, just that we have to stabilize. But these naturally formed wormholes are very small, and they are quantum level, and they die quickly because they are unstable, and we can create a wormhole by concentrating a very large amount of energy, but it would be at a quantum level, and so we cannot travel through them. We have to make a bigger one. At very small places, it would make a connection with the other dimension, because that much energy in such a small space would vibrate at a very high frequency, such that it would break the space barrier and create a wormhole, a gateway to the other dimensions. And this would have probably happened with the Nikola Tesla when he gets struck by lightning of 37 crore volts. He would have experienced the extra dimensions for a short period of time, which we will see in next episode.